This is for Year 10 Methods Pathways. We can look at 10.2 question 9. Now this is to do with a three-way Venn diagram. Three-way Venn diagram. And you need to know this for the test. So let's look at the scenario. Okay, we've got students studying maths, physics and chemistry. So I'm going to draw a very big Venn diagram. Okay, I'm going to put the E there, and we've got maths, physics and chemistry. So maths, physics and chem. Now with these Venn diagrams, you always put in what they study, what they all study. Okay, what they all the students that study all three subjects. So the trick is you start from the middle and you work your way out. So 27 study all three subjects. Now you work with the intersections of two subjects. So this, that, and that. Okay, because you can't do the problem from outside in. You have to do it inside out. So if you look at this, the blue, we want to find the people that study maths and physics. So let's see who studies maths and physics. So 61 requested maths and physics. Well, we already know 27 studies maths and physics, but also chem. So how many study maths and physics? So you just minus the total of 61. So you just basically go 61 minus 27, which gives you 61 minus 27, which gives you 34. So 34 goes here because when you add 27 plus 34, you get a total of 61, which is what we want. Okay. Now we do a similar thing to chem and physics. So I'm going to look at this intersection now. Chem and physics. So chem and physics, 49 requested chem and physics. So 27 plus what gives you 49? You just go 49 minus 27 to work that out on your calculator, 22. Then the last one, you go maths and chemistry. So maths and chemistry, 67 requested maths and chemistry. So 27 plus what gives you 67? You just go 67 minus 27. You get 40. I'm not expecting you to do this in your head. Okay, so we've done all the intersections. Now the last thing is we just need to work out the rest of the circle for each one. So let's look at maths first. Maths, how many people study maths? 163 study mathematics. Okay, so the total of the maths circle must be 163. So if I subtract 40, 27 and 34 from 163, I should get what I should have left over. So go 163 minus 40 minus 27 minus 34, and I get 62. Oops. Keep. I get 62. I get 62 here. Now look at the chem box. Okay, how many study chem? 124. Okay, so if I subtract 40, 27 and 22, I should get the remaining people that study chem only. So I go 124 minus 40 minus 27 minus 22, I get 35. So 35 study chem. Okay, let's do physics. Physics, there's 95 people that study physics. So if I subtract 22, 27 and 34 from 95, I should get the remaining students who study physics only. So I got 12. Okay. Now let's work out okay, and it says in the Venn diagram 17 want to study none of these subjects, so 17 is outside. Okay, so let's answer the question. So we've drawn the Venn diagram. How many students request only mathematics? Okay, only mathematics means they don't study anything else. It's only mathematics. So my answer to that would be, I'm trying to use a highlighter, would be 62. Would be 62 that study mathematics only. Okay, so 62 study mathematics only. How many students requested only physics? So only physics is 12, because if I go with the 34, 27, and 22, they study something else as well. So it's 12. How many students studied only chemistry? So only chemistry is 35. And what was the total number of requests? Okay, so everything inside all the circles, you add together. So what's the total number of requests? 62 plus 40 plus 27 plus 34 plus 35 plus 22 plus 12. They get 232. Okay, 232. Okay, and question F. What's probably that a Year 12 student in Miss Lauder's class selecting maths as one of their subjects? Okay, so probability of maths is equal to, okay, so how many people study maths again? There's 163 want to study maths because it's given the question. So if you look back in the question, 163 want to study mathematics out of the total. Okay, so what's our total? I need to work out our total. So 62 plus 40 plus 27 plus 34 plus 35 plus 22 plus 12 plus 17. We have to add the outside. 17. 249. So 163 divided by 249. Okay, so that doesn't simplify, so that's the probability. Will this answer be the same for every school? Of course not, because each school is different. Some schools are very maths based, others are not. So the probability changes. So that's basically how you approach a three-way Venn diagram question. So the trick is you do the middle one first, then you work your way outside. You do the intersections, each intersection, and then you work out the whole circles. Okay, and then if you need to work out the outside, you need to know what the total number is. But in this case, it's given to you. So hopefully that helps.